Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, this is going to be a very fast video. I just want to come in and let you know the breaking news. About an hour ago, less than an hour ago, Donald Trump blocked the bill. He says he will not sign it unless there is a $2,000 stimulus check for all adults and children. Okay, so we thought that it was gone. Wouldn't nothing happen until after the first of the year. Okay, but now, just a few minutes ago, Nancy Polosi responded. She says, okay, we'll give you the $2,000. We'll do it. So now the ball is in Mitch McConnell's court. And I believe that he will go for it too because of the 2 seats that they need in Georgia. If he don't go for it, he's hurting the party. So he's going to have to go for it, or Democrats will govern the House, they'll govern the Senate, and we will have a Democrat president. The Republican Party will be dead in the water for anything they want to do. So I believe Mitch McConnell will be on board for this $2,000. And it shouldn't take too long to get this amended. It's just a couple of pages on the bill. I think they could have it amended pretty fast. If Mitch McConnell will come in and just say, yes, let's do it, it would be a done deal. Because everybody, before this, everybody was on board for a $1,200 check. Okay, Donald Trump laid out all of these things that's wasting money in the omnibus bill. Okay, if they take some of those things out and make room for a stimulus check, it's done. So I'm really expecting the $2,000 stimulus check to be passed. It won't be passed like right now like the other bill could have been, but this may be good in the long run. And then again, after the first of the year when Joe Biden takes office and we get another stimulus package, this is very good. When I first heard Donald Trump had blocked that, I was pissed. You should have heard the things I was saying about him. But then I got to thinking about it. I was looking at it, but he's not in it to help the American people. He's in it to say, I want $2,000 to help him on his next election, to get people on his side to help him win the next time. But then it hit me. This could really help the American people with $2,000 a month. Y'all, we can only hope and pray, give it to God. God's going to see us through all of this. And I love you all. Like I said, this could be good news. It sounds bad on the surface that he blocked the check that everybody was expecting to get next week, but we still could get it next week if they hurry up. And it could be $2,000. I love you all. Ciao.